Hello beautiful people, welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about different types of eyeliners and if they are smudge proof or not. Also give you a solution about dried out eyeliners. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Nykaa's Black Magic Liquid Liner. It claims that it is water resistant and it got high pigment properties and is completely smudge proof. It's good for daily use, it stays up to 10 hours and consists of really fine tip. This is SEphorus liquid liner and it claims that it is long-lasting 12-hour wear eyeliner. It's matte in finish, dries pretty quickly in the eyes, so no transferring problem, and it's smudge proof too. This brush tip is so small and precise, so it makes the application pretty easy. The Color Bar Ultimate Eyeliner claims that it is smudge proof formula lasts up to 14 hours. High pigmented formula delivers intense color that is waterproof and transfer resistant, suitable for those with sensitive eyes. This is Makeup Revolution's London Renaissance Flick Eyeliner. It got intense long-wear black felt eyeliner, glides on seamlessly, features a unique rose gold pen design. Stick liner got less product than liquid liners. Stick liners are usually 1 ml whereas liquid liners are 3 to 5 ml. Maybelline's iStudio Gel Eyeliner claims to be 24 hours waterproof and smudge proof gel eyeliner. It got a brush applicator included with it and glides smoothly and is non-sticky, and oil-free formula helps to apply on the upper and lower lash line both. Lakme 9 to 5 Gel Kajal is infused with aloe vera and calendula oil. It has liner brush included with it and is waterproof also. The Bobbi Brown's Long Wear Gel Eyeliner claims to be 12 hours of waterproof and sweat and humidity resistance wear. It's highly pigmented, easy to apply, its formula is long-lasting and it won't smudge or fade. Gel eyeliners helps to create more and more intense look. You can easily build layers of it. Brush applications makes it easy to wear. Quantity is pretty enough to make it long-lasting. Gel eyeliners take time to set to become smudge proof. This is Inglot Duraline Mixing Liquid, a drop mixed with dried out eyeliner. This helps to create a liquid waterproof liner, improves application, prolongs life of makeup, plus enhances the color. This is Lakme's iconic kajal which lasts up to 22 hours. It is smudge proof and waterproof, best used on waterline. It takes time to set to become smudge proof. Liquid liners comes in small bottles with a small sharp tipped brush. Since liquid liners give a much heavier appearance, so it is applied to the upper lash line, not waterline. It comes usually in 3 to 5 ml. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with other people who need it, and subscribe. Until then, see you next time.